Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook bison burgers. To start, select ground bison with a lean-to-fat ratio of 90:10 or 92:8. This ensures your burgers are flavorful and moist. Gently form your patties, aiming for about 3/4 of an inch thick and slightly wider than your buns. Remember, bison can shrink a bit during cooking. It's crucial not to overwork the meat, as this can result in a tough burger. Keep it light and airy for the best texture. Next, let's talk about cooking methods and temperature. You can grill your bison burgers over medium-high heat, aiming for 4 to 6 minutes per side for a delicious medium rare. Alternatively, pan frying in a cast iron skillet with a tablespoon of oil works wonderfully, cooking for 3 to 5 minutes per side. The key is to use a meat thermometer. For a perfect medium rare, look for an internal temperature of 135 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This prevents overcooking, which can dry out bison. Now, let's enhance the flavor of your bison burgers. Bison has a rich, slightly sweet taste, so simple seasoning is often best. A generous sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper on both sides is usually all you need to highlight its natural deliciousness. If you're feeling adventurous, a dash of garlic powder or onion powder can add a subtle extra layer of taste. Try to avoid heavy sauces or marinades before cooking, as they can easily overpower the unique and delicate flavor of the bison itself. Finally, the crucial step of resting and serving. After cooking, it's essential to let your bison burgers rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the patty, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Serve your perfectly cooked burgers on toasted buns with your favorite fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, ripe tomato, and thinly sliced onion. For condiments, consider lighter options such as a homemade aioli or a simple mustard to truly complement the distinct and delicious flavor of the bison.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.